everybody. This is Too Real For You. Rap sheet, hood book, same thing. Well, when seals be acting up, don't wanna. This was in Brooklyn House. We used to do this. Gotta make a donut first, you see. When they don't wanna give you no hot water, or they don't got it, we make our own. So you get tissue paper, wrap it around your hand, and you flip up the bottom piece. So like you see here. No, call those the donuts. Then you get a 2-liter Pepsi bottle, whatever, and you tie a rubber bed sheet or shirt, whatever, tie it to the top like so, because it gets hot, it boils, man. Right there, that's all you do. You see? You gotta make at least 5 donuts, and you keep it at the edge of the toilet bowl. Because if it starts smoking, we just throw it in and flush it. Also, if it starts smoking, you flush it. Like that, you see? Just like that. That's how we do it. And believe it, them things don't smoke like that, man. They don't. You don't smell it like that. I don't know why, but you don't.
Let me pick it back up. Black tent, black truck. One hand on her, hold on. One hand on my cup. Counting up, don't rush me. Mount it up and get ugly. Mind your manners, you dusty. MC Hammer can't touch me. I make plans, then I made it come alive. Let it go. I made up my mind. We gon' slide. That's what I decide. Let them know. Let it to the side.
I didn't let it boil you, but I did it again for you to see that it really is hot. I can't even look at that. Look at smoke. Gets hot for real. See? It works, trust me. You can wait till it boils. And they don't even take that long, but you gotta make like at least 5 donuts.